Meet Bob. Bob runs a complex IT department at Forward Inc., a billion-dollar company, and is responsible for several groups within IT. Until recently, like most IT organizations, Bob's team was very focused on the availability metrics of each of these technology domains. What more could you ask for? Monitoring and managing availability is and always will be important. But there's something else that is just as critical to manage: the customer experience. It's true, customer experience starts in the IT department. Let's explain. Each group on Bob's team was consistently reporting great availability metrics. While this was good news at bonus time, we should take a look at what their metrics meant to the customer experience. Bob's approach to managing operations by focusing on device or domain availability was not as effective as it may have seemed. Those tiny blips in the service delivery chain were translating into a painful experience for external customers, internal users, and partners. Bob's team had no idea how their customers felt about the services they were providing, but they, along with the rest of the world, found out soon enough. Like many large successful companies, the IT environment at Forward Inc. has grown more complex and dynamic. Their services and transactions are more composite, spanning multiple domains. The only way Bob's team knows a user has an issue is when support calls for help. Bob's team is always ready to act quickly, but the problem is not always that easy to find, so it's hard to tell what's causing the poor customer experience. When no answer can be found, Bob's team meets to discuss the issues at hand. Customer experience continues to suffer, and the business starts to look for their own resolutions. Forward Inc. employees begin bypassing Bob's team and turn to outside sources for services. Forward Inc. and Bob realize that it's time for a change. They need business service reliability. By implementing service assurance solutions by CA Technologies, Forward Inc. will quickly improve business service reliability, delivering consistent, successful user experiences for both internal and external customers. Here's how it works. Bob's team will begin to look at IT operations in a whole new way. They start the transformation by managing key services from the perspective of how customers are actually experiencing them. Service assurance solutions provide broad visibility and common, consistent shared information both within and across domains. Forward Inc. will have an application-aware infrastructure, and the applications team will understand how their infrastructure is supporting service delivery. Operational intelligence solutions provide powerful analytics that will translate IT big data into actionable insight. This means Bob's team can quickly identify what's causing poor customer experiences and know how to fix them. They'll be able to identify the highest impact business services and map the supporting systems, applications, and processes that create the customer experience for each service. Everyone will have a common understanding of how the elements that comprise their key services should interact. They'll work collaboratively to monitor, manage, and assure key services, confident that every link in the service delivery chain is working properly. Each team will have access to role-specific views of their individual domains within the context of the whole environment. The leadership team will have mobile access to executive-level dashboards with integrated views of IT and business metrics. They'll have real-time transparency into how effectively key services are performing and know firsthand if any customer impact is expected anywhere around the world, 24/7, 365 days of the year. Everyone benefits from service assurance solutions. Learn more about how service assurance solutions from CA Technologies can help improve business service reliability to drive competitive differentiation, market relevance, and sustainable growth.